Welcome back, everybody. Today I want to talk about Nike stock. Nike is a consumer staple, but the share price on this stock has completely crumbled. And I'm very curious to know, is this a buying opportunity or is this the end of Nike? So right now we're looking at Nike on the monthly time frame. So Nike has been in existence forever. We're talking about the 80s, the 90s, and now here we are, and the price has completely collapsed. And so when I look at this chart, I see a company that is completely folded. Just from the chart, you're looking at something that clearly does not look good. Clearly something bad happened to this stock. But if we actually look at Nike fundamentally, do we really think Nike is going to go extinct? I know there's a lot more brands that are popping up on the market. You have new fashion trends like Aloe, you have Hoka's, the Lulus, the Aritzias, you have all kinds of brands that keep popping up. Even Steph Curry signing with a Chinese brand put a little damper on Nike. However, Nike did just sign Victor Wembanyama, and Nike has an insane catalog of athletes that they will continue to push forward, and those athletes will continue to transform the world we live in. And so, do I think the share price is extremely attractive? Absolutely. Would I be a buyer right now? That's the part I don't have an answer yet. I think what ends up happening is when you're a big company that controls the entire market, negative narratives are going to start to come out because these smaller companies are trying to penetrate. So they're the fancy object in the store, but the store was built on Nike, so don't forget about Nike. So I know we always talk about the sweatshops and exploitation of kids, and there's always this negative narratives on Nike. However, everybody's wearing Nike. If you look at all these smaller companies, they have yet to reach that scalable market. But once they do, the same issues that people were hating Nike on are going to be the same issues that these other companies deal with. Because when you're trying to scale up, you're trying to cut costs, you're trying to maximize profit. And so what are you going to do? You're going to try to find cheaper labor. And if you can find cheaper labor, why wouldn't you as a company? If you're trying to scale up and you're trying to make all the money in the world, you're trying to have the best balance sheets, then that's the best way to execute it. I understand people want product to be made in-house in the countries that they live in, with proper people getting a good wage, nothing under the table. The reality is most people don't care. Most people don't care. I don't care. And that's just me being honest. And so I just wanted to rant about Nike today because Nike is one of my favorite clothing brands. I only really wear Nike. I think it's extremely comfortable, extremely versatile, and on top of that, their selection is insane. As a juggernaut of the past, I still think this is going to be a juggernaut of the future. I think we are in a phase where we're trying to fight against big corporations. They're trying to monopolize everything. And I think everybody is now starting to feel that Nike's a little bit played out. It's a little washed. You know, they've tried to pivot. They've tried to do a lot of different things behind the scenes to change it up. At the end of the day, I think this is just a time of weakness for the stock. I think the price to earnings ratio has come down significantly. Extremely attractive PE ratio right now. And I think overall, Nike is at a good time to at least start a position. And I could be completely wrong. Like, this is 100% an emotional video. I'm not looking at any of the financial reports for this video. I'm just looking at the chart and I'm talking about Nike that I know. And so I'm curious to know your guys' opinion on what you guys believe with Nike, because I truly think that this is just a hiccup and this might be a huge generational buying opportunity for the future. If you guys think that Nike's done, Nike's over with, let me know as well. I'm not even sure how this video came out. I just wanted to rant a little bit about Nike. I saw the stock price and I couldn't believe it. And so if you guys own Nike, let me know. Would you buy Nike? Let me know. Or would you stay away from Nike? Please let me know. And that's all I got for you guys today. So I will see you guys in the next video.